This special meditation will help you attract a specific person. Now be warned, this is extremely powerful. Hello, my loves. I am Janell, your manifesting love guru. Thank you for subscribing, and remember to click that bell icon because I create new manifestation videos several times a week to manifest love with the law of attraction and the law of assumption. I have helped thousands of people all around the world, and I can help you too. Just visit me at joybyjanell.com. It is important that if you listen to this meditation, and I urge you to listen to it as much as possible, you are going to be astonished at the kind of results it brings. Now let's begin. First, find a safe place to relax and get comfortable, and gently close your eyes. This is your time. This is your moment. There's nothing more important in the world right now than you relaxing and allowing your muscles to soften and unwind. Feel every muscle in your body relaxing and unwinding. You're feeling very calm. Your feet are calm. Your toes, your ankles very calm and relaxed. Moving up to the legs, your knees, your calf, your lower legs are very, very calm and relaxed now. It's almost like you've dipped them into a nice, warm, bubbling jacuzzi. And you're just sitting on the edge with your legs hanging in the jacuzzi, and you feel that relaxation. And now it's almost as if you have stepped into the warm, bubbling, relaxing jacuzzi. You're feeling very calm all the way up to your waist, and every muscle is unwinding, softening, and letting go. And now your lower back, all the way up your spine, is starting to let loose and relax. The tension is now flying away from your body, and your muscles are more relaxed than ever before. This is an incredible feeling because your shoulder blades are relaxing. It's as if you were all the way in a deep, relaxing bubble jacuzzi, and every muscle in your body, from your neck down to your chest muscles, your shoulder muscles, your arm muscles, even the muscles in your wrists and hands are becoming more relaxed and calm. Muscles are softening, unwinding, letting loose, and you feel better than you have felt in a long time. And the more relaxed you become, the better you feel. And the better you feel, the more relaxed you become. It's an incredible feeling. And now feeling every muscle in your body relax from the neck on down. Feel that relaxation progressing up to the back of your head, the top of your head, your forehead, your face, your jaw, around your ears, every part of your head, every muscle letting go, relaxing. And the more relaxed you become, the better you feel. And the better you feel, the more relaxed you become. Feeling better and better, relaxed and calm. Now take a deep breath in through your nose, out through your mouth, and feel every cell, every fiber of your body now totally relaxed, totally at peace, totally calm. Enjoy this good feeling for a moment. Now visualize in your mind's eye that you are surrounded by this beautiful cloud. This very light, effervescent, beautiful pink cloud of love is surrounding your energy field. It's surrounding your body. It's surrounding every thought in your mind. And you feel absolutely incredible. We're going to increase the feeling of love by remembering an early feeling of love, perhaps from childhood, when you felt nurtured, when you felt loved, when you felt cared about. If you're having difficulty conjuring up a message or memory of the past, then think about how good it's going to feel when you're totally encapsulated in this beautiful cloud. This pink, effervescent cloud of love with a specific person who you love. That specific person who you desire. And as you feel this cloud now starting to flow through you and around you, you feel it permeating every fiber of your being. And you love the feeling of love. And as you sink deeper into relaxation, you sink deeper into love. Sinking deeper and deeper into the feeling of love. And you love the feeling of love. Feeling totally encapsulated in this beautiful cloud. Now call your specific person's name. Notice them way off in the distance, standing on top of a hill. You can barely see them, but you see a small outline and you realize it's them because you feel that magnetic draw. They are drawn to you and you are drawn to them. Call them closer to you and feel them little by little coming closer. Walking down off the hill, coming towards you, step by step. They're still a distance away, but they're coming closer and closer and closer, and your cloud is getting bigger and bigger because you're being filled with magnetism and with love. And they are coming closer. And as they come closer and closer, you are feeling better and better and more relaxed, more at peace. A deep feeling of calm permeates every part of you. You call their name again, and they come closer and closer. And you feel their magnetic energy touching yours. Now call their name again, and they are coming closer and closer. Now your specific person, your heart's desire, is standing right in front of you. The two of you are facing each other, and you are looking into your lover's eyes, and they are looking into yours. You are connecting eye to eye, spirit to spirit, soul to soul, mind to mind, body to body, and they come closer and closer. Now the two of you are sharing the same cloud, that same pink effervescence. You love this feeling. You love the vibration of love. You love their energy, and they love yours. They love your energy more and more, and you love their energy. And it's growing, and the cloud is expanding, and the two of you are looking into each other's eyes, but you're so close that you can feel their breath upon you. Your hearts are touching. Your chests are touching. And it's almost like you can feel your specific person's heartbeat, and they can feel yours. You are now touching heart to heart, mind to mind, soul to soul, spirit to spirit, and their energy field is intermingling with yours. It's almost like you have this beautiful energy field forming a figure 8 around the two of you. As you are encapsulated in this beautiful, effervescent pink cloud, and the two of you are floating through time and space together, now give thanks. Fill yourself with gratitude for all of the love that is in your heart, for all of the love that is in your life, for all of the love that is coming into your life. Enjoy the presence of your specific person for a few moments. When you open your eyes and continue with your day, your specific person will be with you, and you will be with them. They are deeply attracted to you. They want nothing more than to be a part of your life. They feel your vibration and your love. They are attracted to every part of you. So when you open your eyes, a part of you will remain with them in their unconscious mind, and a part of them will remain with you. You can move your hands around, move your feet, stretch those shoulders out, and now open your eyes. You're back, but you brought someone with you. I hope you enjoyed this meditation. Type "they are deeply attracted to me" to affirm. If you would like me to get your desired person back to you as soon as possible, let me help you by manifesting them for you. You can sign up for me to manifest for you today at joybyjanell.com or by clicking the link in the description box below. Thousands of people's lives have already been changed with my manifestations. Subscribe for more content like this. I hope you have an amazing day, and I will see you in the next meditation.